Good afternoon. Yes Bank came out with numbers today. The numbers were fairly strong, with the balance sheet growing 36% on a YOY basis. The customer assets piece grew by 31%. Within that, the loan assets went up by 24%. So the growth was very robust on the asset side. On the liability side, the deposits increased by 36%. Within that, the key feature was CASA, which went up to 19% of the deposits as compared to 18% in the previous quarter. So the strong traction in CASA continues in this quarter as well. NIMs were stable on a sequential basis at 3%, and they were supported by the lending yields, which were strong at 12.4%. The cost of funds slightly came off during the quarter. Overall, the operating profit growth stood at about 35% plus, and it was about the 12th quarter in a row that Yes Bank reported a significant growth in operating profit on a YOY basis. And as far as asset quality is concerned, asset quality was fairly stable. Provisioning was slightly more conservative than expected at about 90 odd crores, which actually increased the provisioning coverage ratio to 92%. Overall, the net profit came at 3.6 billion, significantly higher than our expectations of 3.3 billion. Suppose the numbers, and reviewing our estimates, most likely we continue to keep a buy recommendation on the stock. Recently, we upgraded from a market performer rating to a buy rating at about 440 rupees. The stock is already up since then. We see significantly more upside in the stock in the near to medium term, given the fact that it would be amongst a few stocks to deliver more than 25% earnings growth over the next couple of years, and at the same time delivering ROA and ROE of top class, category of 1.6% and about 24-25%. Thank you.